Hello, you're welcome to the last video for this tutorial designing a landing page. So we are going to continue from where we stop, how to design the footer of this landing page. Stay tuned to FM Technology channel. Thank you. Let's continue. You are going to type in different paragraphs so that there will be links. Under these links, we are going to type in different paragraphs under your links. Okay. Okay, for your first paragraph, you introduce P, and for this P, you type in how we work. How we work. You just copy this, Ctrl C, then paste it down, Ctrl V. Then here you are going to change how we work to Y ensure. Y ensure. Then down here we are going to paste it again, and we type in view plans. Then down here we are going to type in review. Okay, that's all for the first div. So you are going to create another div. Okay, let's just copy this div. Ctrl C, and paste it down here. So in the place of our company, you are going to type in help me, in case you need help from them, from the company website. You type in help me, and in the place of how we work, you are going to type in FAQ, fact, that's frequently asked questions. FAQ. Then for the place of Y ensure, you are going to write terms of use. Terms of use. Then in the place of view plans, you are going to type privacy policy. Privacy policy. Okay, in the place of review, you are going to type in cookies. Okay, I think that is that for this. Okay, down below this also you are going to paste that again. In the place of company, our company also, you are going to change it and write context. Type in okay, let me scroll down. Then in the place of how we work, you will type in, you're going to type in sales, their sales that they usually make. In the place of Y ensure, you're going to type support. When they need support from individuals and company. Then in the place of view plans, we type in live chat. I think there's no other one for this place. There's nothing here. Okay, so down here you are going to also copy this. Just copy this also. Control C and also paste it down here also. In the place of context, sorry, in the place of contents, we are going to type in others, and in the place of sales, we are typing in careers, their careers, as their job opportunities, careers. And in the place of support, their press, that's their press release, press. And in the place of live chat, we type in licenses, Okay, that's that for it. So let's correct this place and remove this. Okay, so you've typed this, and that, I think that is all for your HTML. What is remaining is your CSS to style this. So before we style it externally, let's go back to our browser and refresh and see what we have. So after refreshing, you scroll down to see the footer. You see everything here. You see how it is. What we are going to use are CSS and paste this. I'm going to design this, so I'm just going to pause the video and paste our CSS. You just go to your style.css, click enter, then you paste it, Ctrl V. Now when you look at your browser, let me refresh. Okay, you see your browser, everything is arranged because of the CSS part. Let me go and explain it so that you understand. Now for this footer, this is your footer here, and you remember you gave under this is your footer. You are styling everything here from the beginning to this place to here, and there you say display block, that should display in a column form, and the thing should float to the right, and the border 2 pixels solid transparent. When you go, this is it, everything is displayed in a block, and the thing is solid, the border there is solid. Okay, now the padding is 5px, margin 2px, and the color of the text, they are gray. Now you see this color, they are gray. Help me and accompany. And the background color is white. So look at the browser, the color here is white. Also, now you go to the dot footer. That's the class that is footer. Let's go and check out something. Look at the class here that is footer. This is a class here, footer, down to this place. The container that is containing footer, everything here to this place. Okay, the styling says that the display should be flex. Remember, you are using flex box. This should be arranged in a flex way, like this meaning of flex, like what I showed you as flex. And the background color should be white with 100% justified content, non padding 5%. That the space between them, and the background color is this also. Now the footer for the div. When I talk about the div, we mean the text inside the div. The background color white, also the margin 50 pixel, the background 3%, background color the same thing. And for the H1, the header. When you talk about the header, all those ones that you use with H, help me, context, others. Now look at it, accompany, help me, context, and others. Now you go to your Visual Studio Code under the style.css. Okay, so let's open it again. So they say the font size 12 pixels, so that's why the font size is large. The color is gray, margin 6VW. And your footer, for the paragraph, you need the color to be this. Font size 11 pixel and 5.3. So see, the color is different from this and the font size is different from this. So that's because you give it a styling. And when you hover on the paragraph or SP, the color changes. It will be underlined. The text decoration will be underlined. Now see, it is not underlined, but when I hover on it, it underlines. That's because of the what we did here for the hover. Now for the image, let me scroll down. For the class image, now let me show you the image that we are talking about. Let's go for the image. Now for this class image, this is your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. For everything here, that's those your icons. You want the border to be none and the color to be blue. Now when you go to your browser, you see, look at the color here, you can see it. And when you hover on this image, the color will change to sepia, from blue to this, from this blue to this. Now let's see the effect. Once I hover on it, you see the color changes. So that is all. That's how we have done it right from the beginning. How we design the navigation bar. Over on this, you see, put a logo. We design the footer. Over on this, you put the images using Z index to put this. Z index will bring the image forward so that you can stack. We design the body, put this line, we are different, put the images using flex box, and also put this box here also using Z index and the position relative. And also we design the footer, putting the icons here. Once you click on it, hover it's on the line. Okay, so that is your Insure website. I will start from scratch to design a landing page of an Insure website. Okay, so you go to your browser, you go to your Visual Studio Code. Remember, we use Visual Studio Code, and you see all the code that we did right from there. Starting, we did everything that we did here. We explained it from scratch, and your styling, we showed you how we did everything here. So it was a nice time having you here. FM Technology says thank you for being with us and watching our tutorials right from the beginning. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and remain safe. Goodbye.